Hello everybody, today I will be making something really quick, very simple and very easy. I noticed some of you like to have easy recipes, and well, this is another easy, simple recipe and it comes out delicious as well. Alright, so we're going to use 1 can of corn. This recipe carries 2 cans of corn and 3 eggs, but I'm just using a little because it's mostly for my men that go to work. So 1 can of corn, I'm going to be using 2 eggs. I'm going to separate the eggs and the white. Okay, and plus I'll be using sweetened condensed milk, so it's 3 ingredients. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so let's separate the eggs. Kind of be careful. Okay, and put the yolk in the blender. I decided to use cream of tartar. Got some cream of tartar here. Just need like a little tiny pinch, less than half a teaspoon. Okay, a little tiny pinch. I'll put it in there. Now we can start beating up that. In the meantime, I can start putting in my corn in the blender. Have it ready. Now the condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to use just half of it. Let's blend this up. I'm gonna do gentle folds. I'm pouring little by little. I have my greased pan and let's pour. In the oven it goes for 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. Until it's nice and golden brown, and check with your toothpick. If it comes out clean, then it's ready. Okay, I turned off the stove, but I left it in there. I got busy doing something and I think I overdid it. But anyways, it's nice. Take a fork or something like this, and if it comes out dry, it means it's ready. Put a plate over it and then turn it over. Or let it cool down. Don't rush like I do, because that's the reason why also it will break on you. I'm gonna rush. And I know this is gonna be a little bit broken. And there we go. There we go. I show you my mistakes. I don't want to hide anything. All I do is just put it back in there. Or you can just flip it in another plate and turn it over the right side. It's your choice how you want to do it, if you don't want to show your mistakes. But I am not troubling myself over that because it's going to go in my tummy, family's tummy as well. I just tasted a little piece of the crust and it is so yummy. Anyways, my friends, I hope you try this recipe out. It's so simple, so easy, and very tasty. I'm going to cut it. It cuts beautifully. So there it is, my friends. Nice and tasty, yummy. It's almost like a cake. It's not as thick, I know, because I just did 1 can. You can do 2 cans and 3 eggs, okay? And it will come out nice and thicker, and it will come out beautifully, okay? It looks like cake. So my friends, I hope you try it out. Comment below and subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thumbs up, comment below, share the video, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.